So before I forget which one is which, let's smash some letters in here. I've got these focus. I've got these A, B, and C. So let's start with A, with the top one. Oops. This one is marked with the letter A. Second one would be B. It's now an E. That's the B. The last one is gonna be C. And that one is marked with the C. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, To Metal Stuff. In this week's episode, so I'm gonna try and cook up some metal today. What do we need? We need a recipe. In the recipe it says you need tomatoes and flat green beans. So I stole these out of the garden. Let's go cooking. Did some prep work. Those stones are to support the gonna be cooked metal. So let's get this fire started. So now the fire is cooking. I will explain to you what my research results are. For this kind of metal, there is no research to be done because there's nothing to be found. Only that this stuff is not able to harden. This is construction steel, so it's a low carbon steel, and yeah. So when I couldn't find anything of how to normalize this material, I went looking for how they make this steel in a hot rolled variant, and they said it's about 800 or 900 degrees. So that's the only thing I could find. I need to get the temperature about 800 and 900 C, and for those who likes to know F, it's 18. What does this? 1600 and 1400. So almost the same color as the tomatoes. So I have the fire started and I have some charcoal laying around it, and now I've put my pieces of metal on the fire and make more coal. Bring you back when there's more coal around here. You might be able to see the first one is getting blue already, so let's fire up the fire. I need to start slowly, they say, but let's go, crank it up. So I have passed this blue color. It's 299 and 570 Fahrenheit. So we're in between 320 and 300, or 600 and 570. Here are some more beans. So if I am too short, I will get some more. Baked beans. So I believe this is cooked for long enough, and I will let this burn out and let it cool by air. So this was definitely hot enough. Blisters. This is gonna be my handles. Spray them in with some clear varnish. hand tapping with a power drill. Don't yell at the screen. No problem. Also drilled and tapped. Now I'm waiting until my handles are drying in or dry enough to mount them. Mounted the wooden handles, and now I'm gonna touch it off with my flap grinding wheel. Make the surfaces go off the, how do you call it, scale, this rough skin on all three of them. I did try to get the high spots out of these straight edges with my flap disc and angle grinder, but then I noticed that I was bowing, so I quit that, and now I have here some emery cloth on my on the top surface of my table from the shaper. That's the most flattest surface I have here in my shed. So I will rub them over here, and as you can see, ouch, and as you can see, it's working pretty good. Here are some lower spots in the back one and the lower spots in the front one. So I rub them like 25 times and then I switch them out. So they will be rubbed together, two pieces at a time. So I switched them around, and now I've taken my little square thingy, and as you can see, it has a bow in it. Here's the highest spot, and if I take the other one, it's the same. And if I switch it to the other side, it has a bow too. So now I need to think other way to keep them straight. Give them a little bit blue with the roller I have, and as you can see, the high spots are clearly visible now. I will show you with the little angle thingy. You see? It's touching where the blue is. And on this side also. So I hope this will keep them straight and will bring it down faster than hand scraping. I will do the hand scraping afterwards, or sometime when this is not working. I will be going over to that. You can see here I already what's this? Yeah, you can see here I already did some scraping, but that was not going fast anyway, so I need to do this with the sandpaper of the hammery glove, however you want to call it. So I have changed how the wooden handle sits. As you can see, it sits now in the middle. It keeps the both outer ones more in line. And as you can see, there's still a bit of low spots here and there. But I will do that rubbing over this hammery glove off camera, and when I start hand scraping, I will go back and film this. So I hope you enjoy this cooking video, cooking class, and I will see you in the next one. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hit the bell for extra notifications. Thanks for watching.